Hello there. Donuts, round, sweet, sometimes with a hole, sometimes filled with jam, are a treat everyone loves. They can turn any day sunny and bring a smile to your face. But have you ever tried making your own, warm and fresh from the kitchen? It's a whole new world. Messy, fun, and absolutely delicious. The smell alone is worth it. Your house will feel like a bakery. Today we're going on a quest for the perfect homemade donut. No fancy gadgets needed, just your hands and a bit of enthusiasm. We'll make the dough, cut the shapes, and cook them until golden and puffy. It's a satisfying job, and you'll feel like a master baker. So put on your apron and get ready for some kitchen fun. Forget shop-bought donuts for a day. We're making our own circles of joy. A donut so good, it'll make you close your eyes and sigh. Soft, warm, and melt in your mouth. Today, your kitchen is the best donut shop in town. Ready? Smashing. Let's get cracking. The adventure begins now. Let's make some magic. What's so special about homemade donuts? Freshness. Shop donuts might be hours old, but homemade ones are warm and soft, straight from the pan. The inside is cloud-like, the outside just crisp enough. You control the ingredients: flour, sugar, milk, eggs, real butter, and vanilla. No strange additives, just honest flavor. You decide the sweetness and taste every bit of your effort. Homemade donuts are light, airy, and never greasy. That's the magic of yeast, your invisible kitchen helper. Watching the dough rise is a little science experiment. And the secret ingredient? Love. When you make something yourself, it just tastes better. You put in the care, and it shows in every bite. It's a taste of accomplishment and pure joy. Store-bought can't compare. Every homemade donut is a warm hug. That's why they're the best. Ready to taste the difference? Let's get started. Before we start, let's gather our tools, just like prepping for an invention. You'll need a big bowl, a wooden spoon, and a rolling pin, or a clean bottle. For cutting, use a donut cutter, or improvise with 2 glasses or jar lids. Be resourceful. True inventors find tools everywhere. Now, the ingredients: plain flour, sugar, salt, milk, an egg, melted butter, and yeast. Yeast is the magic that makes donuts fluffy. Just wake it up with warm milk. For cooking, use a deep, heavy pot and oil. Hot oil is serious business. Always have an adult in charge. A slotted spoon helps lift donuts out safely. Paper towels on a plate will soak up extra oil. That's your workstation sorted. Simple, right? No fancy gadgets, just clever thinking. With everything ready, you're set for donut greatness. The right tools make all the difference. Now, let's get to the fun part. Time to make some dough. Ready your station. Let's begin. Let's get our hands mucky and wake up the yeast with warm milk and a sprinkle of sugar. Wait 10 minutes for bubbles. Your yeast is alive. Add flour, sugar, salt, egg, and melted butter. Mix with a spoon, then knead by hand until smooth and stretchy. It's sticky at first, but keep going, about 10 minutes of kneading. Cover the dough and let it nap in a warm place for an hour. Watch it double in size. Yeast magic at work. Press out the air, roll the dough to ½ inch thick, and cut out donut shapes. Let them rest for another 30 minutes to puff up. Heat your oil carefully. Gently lower donuts in. They'll sizzle and float. Cook a minute per side until golden brown. Lift out with a slotted spoon onto paper towels. That's it, a perfect donut. The process is simple, but the results are amazing. Each step is a bit of kitchen science. You're not just baking, you're inventing. Enjoy the transformation. Ready for the next step? Did you know donuts have a fascinating history? The Dutch brought oily cakes to America, but they didn't have holes. The hole was invented to help them cook evenly, thanks to a clever sea captain. When frying, keep your oil at the right temperature. Not too hot, not too cool. Test with a small dough piece. It should sizzle and turn golden in a minute. Don't waste the dough from the middle. Fry those as donut holes. They're quick, delicious, and a perfect bonus treat. Efficiency and deliciousness. What more could you want? Every part of the donut has a purpose. That's true inventor's logic. A plain donut is wonderful, but toppings make it extra special. The easiest? A shake of sugar or cinnamon sugar in a paper bag. For a classic glaze, mix icing sugar with a splash of milk and a drop of vanilla. Dip your warm donuts, let the glaze set, and enjoy the shiny shell. Want chocolate? Melt chocolate gently and dip your donuts. Add sprinkles for fun. Try lemon glaze for tang, or spread jam and sprinkle coconut. Feeling adventurous? Skip the whole fry, then fill with jam or custard using a piping bag. The possibilities are endless. Experiment and invent your own flavors. Every topping is a finishing touch on your creation. Don't be afraid to try something new. That's the spirit of invention. Make each donut your own. Share your favorites with friends. There's no wrong way to top a donut. Enjoy the creativity. Your kitchen, your rules. The best part? Eating your creation. The kitchen might be messy, but the smell is heavenly. Your donuts are golden, puffy, and maybe a bit wonky, but they're yours. Pick one up while it's still warm. Bite through the crisp outside to the soft, airy inside. It melts in your mouth. The flavor is simple, perfect, and full of accomplishment. Making things by hand is a special joy. Sharing them is even better. Call your family, make tea, and enjoy together. Watch the smiles as everyone takes a bite. Homemade treats bring people together. That's what food is all about. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Have fun and enjoy the process. Every attempt is a step toward donut mastery. Anyone can do it with a bit of time and enthusiasm. Go on, give it a try. The best donuts are the ones you make yourself. Smashing job, inventor. Until next time, happy baking.